As we learned in my last video, collocations are pairs or groups of words that naturally go together. Now I'm going to share with you 10 collocations that are very common in British English, and I guarantee using them will make you sound more like a native speaker. Number 1 is to have a lie-in. Have a lie-in. It means to stay in bed longer than usual, usually on weekends. For example, tomorrow is Sunday, so I'm going to have a nice lie-in. Number 2 is take a seat. Take a seat. You'll often hear this when you go to the doctor's. It's when someone's politely inviting you to sit down. So the doctor might say, please come in, take a seat. It doesn't mean take away the seat, just sit down. Number 3 is have a chat. Have a chat. And this means to have a conversation that is usually friendly or informal. For example, I need to have a chat with my manager to see if we can move the meeting. Or I'm going to have a chat with my friend about what she wants to do on the weekend. Number 4 is do the shopping. Do the shopping. We say this when we need to go to the supermarket to buy groceries for the week. So we might say, I'm just off to the supermarket to do the shopping. Number 5 is make a quick call. Make a quick call. And this is when you need to call somebody quickly. For example, imagine you've booked an appointment and you might make a quick call to confirm the appointment. The call is going to be very short and very brief. By the way, if you're enjoying these natural English phrases, you can learn even more of them in my free guide of 30 English phrases to sound more natural in English, and you can download it using the link in the description. Number 6 is catch the train. Catch the train. This means to get on a train in time, especially if you're in a hurry. For example, we need to leave now if we want to catch the train. Number 7 is do the washing up. Do the washing up. This is when you clean your dishes after a meal, and you often might hear do the dishes. But British people, we like to say do the washing up. For example, I'll do the washing up tonight, you go relax. Number 8 is get the bill. Get the bill. When you're ready to pay in a restaurant or a cafe, you can ask the waiter, could we get the bill please? Or shall we get the bill? Number 9 is have a look. Have a look. This means to look at something or someone. You can also say take a look. It means the same thing. For example, have a look at my other YouTube videos. You might just enjoy them. Number 10, this last one is very British, and it's a quick pint. A quick pint. And it means a casual beer or any other drink, usually at the pub. For example, imagine you've just finished work. Your British friend might ask, fancy a quick pint? And you can reply, oh, go on then. We don't say a fast pint because these words don't go together. Let's see if you can try using one of these collocations this week. Comment below which collocation you're going to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!